Hi everyone! Let's attempt to make something delicious today.
Today we're making General Tso's chicken. For the ingredients, you will need some chicken, some chili, 1 bulb of minced garlic and 2 teaspoons of minced ginger. For the chicken marinade, you will need a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing Wine, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and an egg. Marinate the chicken for at least 10 minutes. For the sauce, you will need 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing Wine, 2 tablespoons of Apple Cider Vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Light Soya Sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 3.5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce, 4 tablespoons of water, and 1 teaspoon of corn starch. Coat the chicken pieces with corn starch. Heat up some oil and cook the chicken on both sides for a few minutes until they're cooked through and golden. Now moving on to the sauce. Fry the chili, garlic and ginger until they're fragrant. Pour in the sauce and bring it to a simmer. Add in half a tablespoon of dried chilli flakes. Adjust this depending on how spicy you want it. Add in the chicken and mix it with the sauce. When they're all coated, you are ready to serve. Garnish with spring onions and sesame seeds and enjoy. Thanks for watching!